In this video, I will explain what you can do if Cash App is not available in your country. First, it is important to know that Cash App officially works only in certain countries, such as the United States and the United Kingdom. Because of this, creating a fully functional account in unsupported countries is not possible without violating the platform's terms of service. Trying to use false information, fake addresses, or unauthorized methods may result in permanent account suspension. If you need to receive international payments, there are reliable alternatives that work in many countries. Some popular options include PayPal, Payoneer, Wise, and international bank transfers. These platforms allow you to receive payments from international clients safely and legally. Before creating an account, always check if the service is available in your country and what documents are required. This helps avoid future issues and ensures you can access your money without problems. And that's it. Now you know what to do if Cash App is not available in your country. Save this video so you can check it later if needed.